Targeting long-tail keyword trends is basically just a fancy way of saying making your videos topical. What are people searching for right now that you could target with your keywords? There are lots of ways of finding this, but generally you will just know from looking at social media and looking at the news what people are likely to be searching right now. For example, in 2017, there was one thing that dominated a lot of the news and a lot of Google search. The most searched for thing in 2017 was Bitcoin. So could you make a Bitcoin related video if it was within your niche? Right now, lockdown, stay home. Maybe those are search terms that a lot of people are searching and you could target with long tail keywords. For example, if it was a how to make money video, maybe how to make money while you're stuck at home, or how to make money from home, rather than targeting how to make money while traveling, because not a lot of people are going to be searching for how to do something while traveling because no one is traveling. It's basically just the idea of looking at what's topical at that moment. What is the trend at the moment and how can you target those long tail keywords? I mean, there's a great free resource, Google Trends, and not enough people know it and not enough people use it, but you can just go on Google Trends, go on Google Trends and search for anything. So you can just search for any search term and see how many people are searching that right now compared to before and at any given moment for any country. So if I was trying to target a search term for the UK, for example, I could go onto Google Trends and search how to invest or how to get started backpacking. And I can see the search volume for the past year or for however long. And if the search volume's gone up a lot, that means a lot of people are searching for it. So therefore, maybe that's a keyword you want to target. You can also even see other related search terms that people are searching for. So even if you just have one idea that you've put in, you can then go down and see what other keywords you should be targeting. Now, this is one free way of doing it that I would suggest a lot of people start with. If you're going to target what's topical and what long tail keywords are working, just go to Google Trends. That's it. Go to Google Trends and have a little play around with it and see what people are searching right now. Now, there's also more paid for services, and a couple of them that I would recommend are vidIQ and TubeBuddy. TubeBuddy is the one that I use that you can use for keyword research and keyword planning within YouTube itself. So you can also do this for free, by the way. So first I'll go through the free way. You can just go to YouTube and let's say you found that search term within Google Trends, go to YouTube, type it in, and you'll see what comes up under that search term, and you also see the little suggestion of how you could complete that search term or complete that long tail keyword to make it more focused. Well, you can see that yourself, but you can't really see the search traffic going up, and you can't see the competition with it just by looking at it without the TubeBuddy extension. But if you were to pay for and include the TubeBuddy extension, which they also have a free version, by the way, so try the free version first before you pay for it, but you can then add the TubeBuddy extension and you can see how well that search term is doing right now. And you can try and target a long tail keyword off the back of that based on what's trending right now. This is also a great way of doing keyword research before you create a video to see if people are actually searching for what you want to create a video about. And then you can target that specific phrase, or you can target that specific keyword that's getting a high volume of traffic right now to get a lot more search coming back to your video. One other thing you could do with this is you could target a short-term trend by going back and updating a title or a description with one of your older videos. So you could go back and just add that little keyword, that long tail phrase, into a title, into your description, and maybe, there's no guarantees, but it's likely that then that video will get more traffic, even though it's older, because it's been more linked to a more topical search phrase. Now, there's no exact science to this, but it is something to be aware of. And it will depend on the niche you're in, how often you can do this. If you have a news channel that's always targeting what's trending and what's topical, then obviously you're gonna have a lot better time doing this. So if you're doing a travel channel where you're always in different countries, well, it's kind of more difficult to always target what's topical, because that will change depending on where you are, and sometimes you won't be as close to, or you won't be as related to what the news or the trending topic is. But if you can just try and think about it in a way where not every single video, but maybe occasionally a video you create is targeted towards what's topical and is targeted to what search terms are trending, well then you're going to get a lot of new people coming to your channel, because you still have that hub content, you still have that consistent content that's going to keep people there, but then these videos that are getting found in search is a way of bringing new people to your channel. Right, as you might have guessed, that is a video from my new course that I've spent the last 2 months building, and it's now finished and I can share it with you. If you're interested, the link will be in the description below. Go and check it out. That is only one video out of over 75 videos that I've compiled together to show someone how to go from starting out with a new YouTube channel all the way through to turning that into a full-scale business and drawing a passive income from that. I decided to really keep it a modest price, because I didn't want this to be another barrier between you and where you want to be. So if you're interested, go check out the link in the description, let me know what you think, and hopefully, either way, this video helped you. Thanks for watching, I'll see you in the next one.